Hey YouTube, it's me, Epic Realist from Curls of Innocence at blogspot.com. This is my first mini twist review. I haven't done mini twists of my hair by myself ever yet. It's my first time doing it in my natural hair and I love it. It's all fluffy. I use this new product I got from my hair show. And I'm just being silly. I was hoping it would make my twist seem longer, but it didn't. But, of course, shrinkage is the devil sometimes. This is the product I used. It's called Three Sisters of Nature. I'd never heard of them until I went to the hair show. But they compare themselves to Miss Jessie's. One of their products, but it's a knockoff version. It's supposed to be cheaper and just about the same. I've never tried Miss Jessie's, so I'm just trying this stuff out and hopefully it works.